Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm doing a camera test with the Motorola One Zoom. I wanted to test out these cameras to see how good they really are. I shot some video in 4K, also 1080p at 60 and 30 frames per second. I also did some photos during the day and nighttime just to see how these cameras held up. Also, I shot some wide angle video is in there too. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. All these cameras good. Let's get a discussion going. The first video you're going to see is 4K at 30. Let me get to it. Okay everyone, so this is the Motorola One Zoom. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm going to do a camera test with this phone, slow pan. I'm at my favorite park and a nasty smelling lake or a pond, whatever you want to call this thing. Now, this is in 4K at 30 because this is the most it can do on the rear camera. Now, I do not have access to the zoom lens or the ultra wide lens at 4K at 30 frames. But how does everything look? How does that sound? How does that plane flying over sound? Now I will try to zoom in digitally. Again, how does that look? Kind of horrible. But let me zoom back out. But how does the grass look? It is a beautiful day in Texas. I'm going to come back with 1080p and then also some rear camera shots and video too. But y'all let me know how this part looks. I'm going to come back with the 1080p at 60 next. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. What y'all think about it? So far I'm enjoying the phone. The battery life has been really good. I've been getting like 30 hours off the charge and 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, which for me is pretty damn good. But again, how do I look and how do I sound? How's the stabilization at 60 frames per second? Again, I'm holding the phone with my hands, no gimbal. I do not have any type of external mic on the phone either. And I'm just walking around the lake or pond, drainage area. I don't know what you want to call this. But let's see if I zoom in. Again, not the greatest on zooming. That was kind of horrible. I will put this against the Moto G7. Now, one thing I did notice with the G7, they actually took some of the features out on this phone. Like, you can't stream directly from YouTube using this phone like you can do with the G7. Which I don't do, but hey, some people I know actually does it. But again, y'all let me know what this was, how it looks. I'm going to come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. How does it look? How does that sound? Again, you don't have access. Once you start filming with this phone at 1080p, I can't switch between the lenses. I think before you start filming, you can actually, if you want to do the wide angle, you can actually do so. I'm going to try that out and maybe come back. But how does that plane sound? How do I sound? And what do you think of the camera so far? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Is this phone worth $400? Just for the cameras? I don't know. Are you a Moto fan? Or do you hate Moto? Like I said, let's get a discussion. Keep it friendly though, but we can definitely have a discussion. Again, that's zoom. Let's see if I can zoom out. Now it says I can zoom out to the ultra wide. That's actually pretty cool. So I'm in the standard lens now. But again, y'all let me know how does it look and sound. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera and we can test that out, see how that looks. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Moto One Zoom. What do y'all think about it? Again, how do I look? How do I sound? Do you think this phone is worth the money? I don't know. I look kind of dark right there, so let's go back this way. How does the background look? Does it look blown out? What do you like about the whole video so far? Y'all let me know. Is this phone worth it or not? Will you decide to pick it up? Look at that tree and the spider. But y'all let me know. I'm just doing the test just so we can have a discussion. Check it out. And then y'all can do your own homework and decide if you want to pick up this phone. Again, I'm just holding the phone with my hands. No type of gimbal. Nothing like that. So just making sure y'all get the coverage. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some nighttime video coming up. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the ultra wide lens on the Moto One Zoom at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now, I switched it before I started shooting the video. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know how everything looks and how that sound. The wide angle looks beautiful, by the way. But I will definitely be doing some more tests with this phone. And to then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the telephoto lens at 3x zoom, 1080p at 30 frames per second on the Moto One Zoom. Y'all let me know how it looks. It looks like kind of shaky though, kind of grainy too, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I just wanted to give a quick sample of it on this video. Stay tuned for the nighttime video. Hopefully this time I'm actually going to show y'all that. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the nighttime part of the video. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. What do y'all think about it? How does everything look? How do I sound? Let's zoom in. I'm gonna try to zoom in Walmart. What y'all think about it? It's fuzzy, it shakes. I'll zoom back out though. But y'all let me know how everything looks. How does the sky look with the lights? The tree over there. Man, the stabilization on here looks really good. The OIS. But y'all let me know. Yes, I'm just walking around my famous Big Lots. Trying to do some nighttime video. Again, I'm coming back with the front-facing camera. What y'all thought about the rest of the video so far? Again, let's get a discussion going. Is this phone worth $399 or $449? Again, it's just depending on what you're looking for in the cameras. Overall, the experience has been pretty good. But y'all let me know how the mic sound too with the wind. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Alright, so this is the front-facing camera at nighttime on the One Zoom. I'm shooting this in 1080p at 30 frames per second. What do y'all think about it? How do I look? Check out that. Shout out to UT, Texas Longhorns. No, I'm not really a Texas Longhorn fan, but you know, my daughter graduated from there. But y'all let me know how this whole video was. What do y'all think about the cameras on the One Zoom? Again, it's a phone worth $399. And are the cameras an improvement from the G7? I don't know. Stay tuned. I will have a comparison coming up of the G7 against the One Zoom. But so far, I think the cameras are doing pretty good. Not too horrible. And definitely not the greatest, but they actually doing pretty good. And you get the Motorola experience. And if you like that, the stock Android is pretty decent of a phone. But stay tuned to the channel. I will have more coverage on it. Look at the background. So far, it looks pretty good. But y'all let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the One Zoom. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter also. Become part of the BAM Nation. Peace. Later.